After 20 minutes, we take matters into our own hands, and Lambert stops the traffic.
Look at this, oh my gosh. Now, there you go, that's confidence for you.
With Chimanuka in charge, the orphan Morale is confident enough to venture out.
Whoa, oh fantastic. Oh my gosh, look at this. The whole family.
Moira and his mother are almost the last ones to break cover and scamper over.
Absolute confidence, look.
With all the youngsters across safely, Chimanuka can stop being the lollipop man.
The boss showing us that despite there's a road running through it, this is still his jungle. I love it.